Hey guys, you're welcome back. After pressing your power button to switch on your system, it's going to boot. Then after the booting, it goes to the desktop site. So this is the interface of the desktop. So explaining some elements on the desktop, this is the start button. This is the start icon. So when we press this one, it's going to pop up like this. Then we can search the start anything you want to look for in the system. So these are the this is the taskbar anyway. These are the icons that are pinned to it. On the taskbar, any icon you are any file you are currently working on is going to be here, and it's going to show a kind of light depending on the type of window you are using. Okay, so you can see there is difference between this Chrome and this Chrome. This means I'm currently working on this Chrome but not working on this Chrome. So that is that. uh, this is the time, everything on the taskbar. This is the notification box, everything on the taskbar. Then look at this, they call this application. Look at what I just dragged. They call it application. Why this they call it a folder? It is inside a folder that you are going to keep your files. All this application, um, anything that has a description, that has what it's doing, maybe like game, maybe like site, maybe like anything, you can keep them inside the folder. You know, we said folder is where the files are being kept. So we want to learn how to create a folder now. On the desktop, just go to an empty space. When you click your mouse, the left click, nothing is going to happen. But when you click the right, it's going to bring out option. The right click mainly is to bring out option of something. So these are the default option of the desktop. So the first one is the view. Let's talk about the view. On the view, we are going to have the sizes of our icons. If you look at my icon, they are large ones. So if I click this one, it's going to be a little bit smaller. That is the medium size, and this is the smallest size that we can have. So that is the view. Then auto arrange icon. You can just practice this one yourself. It's going to auto arrange everything on the side. Look at it. Everything is auto arranged. Then, and the other one is to align. The meaning of align is that if the align is not there, I can just move this one, put it here anyhow. It's going to stay there. But if the look at this is what I'm trying to say. View auto align. Look at, you can see it's staying here. But if the auto align is on, it's not going to stay there at all. So let's take it back to the auto align stuff. So what do we have here again? We have the show desktop icon. You can actually hide the desktop icon. You don't want people to see it. Look at it. Now the icons are there, but we've hidden them. They are not showing again. So we can show them. You know, I said these are what we call these are the icons. Good. So the next, clicking the right button again, we have sort. You can sort by name, by everything. Then you can also refresh. This is the refresh button. It's going to refresh. This is the paste. After you have copied something, you can paste. But the main purpose of this lecture sorry, is to create a folder. When we come to new, you right click on the empty space of the desktop. Then look at, these are the things we can create. We can create the folder, we can create a shortcut, we can create the Microsoft Access database, and so on. This is a compressed zip folder. But what we actually need is the main folder. When you are creating the folder, it's going to come in this way for you to rename it to the kind of any name you deem fit for it. So let me put the name as Bright Habib IKS. Bright Habib IKS. You can see. Then we just enter it like this. So this is the name of this folder. You can drag the folder to the position you want. Let's put this as, okay, I want the folder to be around this side, and I want it to be a little bit bigger than this, medium size. This is it. You to drag something is you left click on it, then you use your mouse to move it. So that is the way to drag something. Now, the last thing I will be taking you in this section is how to copy and paste. For example, I want to copy everything in this word to come inside this. The first method you can use is to left click on it, then drag your mouse like this. You can drop it inside it. Now it's inside it like that. So let's say it's not inside it. You have it like this. Let's say it's outside. You can right click on it. You know, I said right click. Right click brings out the option of a folder or the option of anywhere you are clicking it. So just go to copy or cut. There is difference between copy and cut. The copy is to duplicate the file. The file is going to be in the desktop and is going to be inside this folder. But cut is going to take it away from the initial place to the final place. So that is all we have today. Thank you so much for watching, and try to share this video to your friends and family and everybody you feel might also be in need of this basic desktop publishing skills. So, and remember to hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and enjoy the rest of your day.